I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the BOCEUC brand, their Silicone Multimeter Test Leads Kit. There's banana plugs, alligator clips, tester hook tip test clips. It'll work with most brands of multimeters. I have about 12 multimeters that work with all of them. This product gets excellent customer ratings. They're very flexible test leads. They're made out of silicone and they have decent thick wires inside them so they can handle a large amount of current. And they can handle 10 amps of current, and they're category 3 1000 volt and category 4 600 volt rated, which is really great so that you can measure anything effectively using your multimeter. So let's take a look at what comes in this kit. You have the test leads right here that plug right in. You got the red and the black, and again, this is super flexible siliconized material. Then on the other end right here, you got the other test leads, which allows you to plug into your multimeter, go 90 degrees out. And then right here, you got your plus and minus leads right here, and you could just plug that in respectively like that. And really nice quality. And if you look here, you can remove this, and much easier to measure the inside of connectors, things of that nature. Or if you want to do a circuit board and you don't want to short something out, you put those on and it allows it just to be a tip measurement on there. And then we have this test lead right here, which allows you to plug into your multimeter. Then you got these test clips, and these are really good quality, and they will lock into your electrical connections. This is great when you're doing a circuit board, a prototype board, and you go right on the connections on the board. And then you have this other option which you could use on this test lead right here, and it is plug and play, and it has a alligator clip like that with a really good spring mechanism, which allows you to grab right onto something and hold it in place. Now let's just give you an example. I have a multimeter that I own. I own several of them. I put it on the ohms and so that it makes a sound. And let's just try this out right here as an example. So I'm going to put the black into the common area and the red into the plus, just like that. Then I have the leads right here, and you can see I get 0 ohms on there. Now if I undo these ends right here, I can put on these really nice clips. I love that. And then this is great when you want it to really grab onto something, and you can see it's got 0 resistance also. Really, really good quality. And now if I want to, I can remove these clips and plug in the respective red and black with this other part of the kit. And then I have these really nice jumpers that can go right on circuit boards, prototype boards, things of that nature. Really, really nice. So this is really, really versatile. If you have any kind of a multimeter that you lost the leads or you broke the leads, this is a way to replace them or just have a backup. But these are such high quality that these would be the primary ones I would use compared to the ones that came with the multimeter. So after testing, what do I think about the BOCEUC brand, their Silicone Multimeter Test Leads Kit? This is a great product. It's always nice to have extra test leads when you have multiple multimeters, and I own about 12 multimeters, and these fit every single brand that I have. So I'm impressed with the quality of this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.